Hi everybody, Todd here from H&H Trailer. Today I want to show you our tandem axle ATV trailer. This particular one is our aluminum frame model. It's also available in a steel. Up here at the front, the business end, you'll start with our coupler. It's a 2 5/16 zinc coated coupler. We've got an RV style 7-way plug. It's an Arctic grade entire wire harness on this particular trailer. Most trailers have a jack that's actually mounted in the coupler, but you can see we've actually designed a setback bracket. This protects your tailgate from getting damaged whenever you're hooked up to a tow vehicle. We use structural tube framing for our tongue. This particular model has a triple tube tongue for added strength and durability. It's actually tied into the side tube, so it goes all the way back to the front of the axles where you're pulling from. All of our ATV trailers are equipped with side ramps for side loading capabilities, as well as the rear loading gate for rear loading capabilities. We use all LED, high intensity, durable lights with about a 50,000 hour lifespan. Tandem axles come standard with aluminum wheels on all of our aluminum trailers, and you can also see that they're sporting radial tires for longevity. Stake pocket tie downs are standard. They surround the perimeter of the trailer so you have a place to tie all your gear down. We use treated #1 grade lumber for our flooring. And then bringing up the rear is our unique bifold gate system. It's a 2,200 pound rated gate, spring loaded latches, and it also has a Jeep style latch for easy deployment. Thanks for stopping by and checking out our video today. For more information, you can find us on the web at hhtrailer.com.